Racing just is started. Valentine Rose break quickly at the start. You got it all. Deadly Storm in the middle. And on the outside comes Friendly Fire. Then Dance Rose. Tonic Water. Alam mo na yan. Landed Bisa. Storm Signal. Then comes Hardway. Quick Storm. Batangas Force. Angelic Boys. While Nevada's Dream is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. We have You Got It All by about 3 lengths. Valentine Rose is right behind in second. Alongside comes Tonic Water. Then next on line is Deadly Storm. Moving up now on the outside, Friendly Fire. Then Dance Rose is down on the inside. Alam mo na yan, Hardway. Then comes Landed Bisa. Storm Signal, Quick Storm, Nevada's Dream. Then moving up now on the outside is Batangas Force. Then Angelic Boys now racing in 14th and out of our turn. We have You Got It All by our length and a half. Then Dance Rose now trying to get closer in second. Friendly Fire is down into Deadly Storm. Valentine Rose comes next. Tonic Water, Hardway likewise now arriving at the scene. And as they swing for home, we have You Got It All by our length and a half. Then Dance Rose still in second. Moving up now at the outside, Friendly Fire, Hardway. Last 100 meters, You Got It All followed by then Dance Rose, Friendly Fire, Hardway, and finally it's You Got It All. Then Dance Rose, Hardway, Friendly Fire, alam mo na yan, Deadly Storm close with Valentine Rose.
Okay, so medyo may inaayos lang yata sila sa technical, no?